All right, clarinets, step by step. So the first thing is to be able to play the low F. That has to do with making sure that your fingers are covering the holes. Remember, if your thumb's not in the right place, if your thumb is way too far over, then it's going to be hard to cover those holes, right? So start with the walk down, starting on C. Okay, do that a few times. Pause the video now and get that locked in. If that's not happening, we'll talk after we pause. So pause the video now, and we'll just work on. Okay, coming back from the pause, you're comfortable doing that. If you're still having trouble doing that, you need to go back and work on that some more. Make sure you're going to 2 upstairs. But again, it usually has to do with these holes not being covered all the way. You got to make sure you're covering the holes all the way. So that's why I tell you to get in front of a mirror. Or if you're in front of a computer or a tablet right now, turn the camera on and watch what your fingers are doing and make sure you're covering those holes completely. That's important. Okay, you've got to cover these holes 100% all the way. You can't leave little gaps or little bits uncovered. It's not going to work. That's why your fingers have to be more flat here. There's a gentle curve in my fingers, but not like a big curve. It's got to be fairly flat, okay? All right, so what we want to be able to do is start on that low F, and then we're just going to rock the thumb forward, press the register key. When you play low F, that'll bring you up to middle C. All I'm doing is rocking my thumb forward and pressing down the register key. Nothing else changes. Low F, it's the exact same finger as low F. We just add the register key. I'm not tonguing you or anything. So that's your next step. Pause the video now. Work on that a few times. Welcome back. Okay. If you need to walk down first sometimes, you can do that. Okay, you can do that. All right, next step. Okay, down and out and inside. Pause the video now, work on that, right? All right, last step. Going from the B to the A. C, B, A, and that's all with the left hand. It's all with the left hand, right? If you can get that, you're good to go, all right? So work on that. That's the main thing.